So this is a comment I get a lot. Oh my gosh, I would adopt your dog, but I live in another state. What can I do? I think you're underestimating how much people love dogs. Texas, we're overrun. All the shelters are full. Euthanation is at an all-time high. And so there are transports leaving every day, taking dogs all around the country. And there are these incredible people who are offering to transport dogs everywhere. It's incredible. It's a little sick. I don't know why our shelters are overrun. If you have those answers, please let us know. But all I know is if you sincerely want to adopt one of our dogs and you live out of state, no, we can figure out a way. Transport is available because these dogs, they're worth working for.